Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix dev error 657 on Warzone 2 and Warfare 2 on Windows PC. Firstly, you should restart the game. Next, if the error still appears or you can't find a match while playing on the modes, then you should restart your computer. At last, make sure the game, graphics driver, and system stay up to date. Method 1. Scan and repair. For Battle.net users, open Battle.net, then select Warfare, Warzone. Click on the gear icon, Settings, and then click on Scan and Repair. For Steam users, open Steam Library, right-click on Warfare, Warzone. Then pick Properties. Select Local Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once done, relaunching Warfare, Warzone and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Run SFC. Press Windows key then type cmd. Right-click on command prompt then select Run as administrator. Use the following command line. Paste into the command prompt, hit the Enter key, and allow the cmd command to complete its process. Restart the system to see if the problem is fixed. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the game. That's it guys. Hope these help you. If there is any other method, please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.